Hi everyone, welcome to SolveJet. If you are missing the old Windows Classic photo viewer, this video is just for you. Today I will show you how to restore it Windows 11 step by step without installing any third-party apps. By default, Microsoft hides this classic photo viewer in Windows 11 and Windows 10, but it's still there. All need to do is unlock it using the regist editor. You can download this registry file from any website, but you can easily download this file from my website Solution 360 Services Tutorials Windows Troubleshooting, and download photo viewer from here. Just click to download. After download, go to the download folder, double click this registry file, double click, run, allow, yes, allow in registry. Okay, that's it. You have successfully brought to back the classic window photo viewer. Now you can check. This is the 11 and 10 default photo viewer. Just right click, open with, choose the Windows photo viewer. Just click. If you want to default it, click always, otherwise you click just once. And to default it, just click always. Here is your classic Windows photo viewer that's used in Windows 7 and Windows 8. But if you want to download Windows XP photo viewer from Microsoft Store, just click Microsoft Store, classic photo viewer, this photo viewer for free. Just click get and ready for downloading. Prepare to download. Just open, and you can check an image to here. So you can check, this is Windows 10 and 11 default photo viewer, and it is Windows 7 and Windows 8 or classic photo viewer, and this from Microsoft Store XP photo viewer. Here also the menu bar, file, print, open with from here. And that's it. If this video helped you, smash the like buttons and don't forget the subscribe for more Windows 11 tips and tutorials.